Well, good morning, everybody. I'm just down at the end of our driveway where it meets up with the road there. I'm going to try to take a walk and attempt to kind of keep the camera from bouncing around too much. I can't wait to hopefully in a while, when the budget's right, to be able to pick up a gimbal to put this camera on, because I really like the quality of the pictures. But as you can see how clean it is from our side of the road, and all the bags there, I think I counted, there's 12 bags of grass that are of course going to go up to the top of the hill there, where we can cut it up with our cutter, and it'll go into the compost piles. As I kind of walk down here, we're coming to the well. Because of all the rain yesterday, the well's up to 32 inches. And as you can see by the shadow, the sun is actually out. That's the first time I've seen it in, wow, a few days here, it seems like, and that because it's been so drizzly the last few days. But yeah, our well is up. Always good news, because then I can pump water up, and we're able to then be able to take at least, oh golly, I just slipped here on the mud. The ground is so wet and that, but right along the road here, yeah, nice and clean. This side still has to be raked up and that. A lot of limbs here, a lot of dried leaves. As I pan over this way slowly, our bean patch here in our rice fields, and if you can kind of get a look there in the picture, in that a lot of beans. We're going to be picking beans today, and probably do some more canning also. As I walk down here and look at our other bean patch, I'm just amazed from up here. I hope you can see in the video all the little purple flowers. They're just hundreds of them, and all those are hopefully going to turn into beans. But wow, very nice. We're finally having good luck. It's taken us a lot of years to be able to do this. Back up to the road here. This is the road that goes down to all of our neighbors down below. And as usual in the Philippines, it's generally one family, and here it's the Tampos family, and all their relatives and kin and that live below us, and that all related. And our peppers there. Yeah, the sun is at my back here. I'm trying to kind of watch my step here that I don't slip again. And right here where it's so open is where the water that comes down the road actually flows into the field here, and flows down. I've got a trench here. Why I put this walkway in quite a few years ago, and that in order to channel all the water coming into the road here, and channel it down, as you can see down below there, channel it into the pond. And then I redo the walkway here. It's white now. We did bamboo, 8-foot bamboo, and paint it white, and it just seems to last about twice as long by painting it. It just takes that much longer for the water to get to it. I'll go back up here, and of course our coffee trees here that we planted. And back down the road here. Yeah, I haven't seen it this clear. Oh, like I said, the plow came through here. Oh geez, it's got to be about 2 years ago, and just took out the fence, created that berm along the road that you saw previously. And I've been wanting to get at this and been so busy, and now that we've got Papa and Andoy here from the family, Beth's dad and her brother, to help out, it's getting done finally, so I'm real happy about that. You want to see a big pile of brush? Yeah, this will all have to be probably taken down below, and we'll let it dry out and burn it, go through it and that. Good morning. My neighbor from down below, and another bag of grass, and a lot of grass here, but you get an idea of kind of how rough this was, and a gully going through here where the water runs down and that. And here is my terraces. I'm right above the pond right now, and our neighbors coming up the road can actually see the pond now. Pretty hard to see for a while in that, because of all the brush that was along the road, and when the plow came through, it tore up so much of it, and I just basically left it. Didn't have the time to really go through like we have in the last couple of days in order to clear it out. Another big pile of brush here. See if I can kind of walk through this. Yeah. And as you can see, the fence is all back up again. At least two strands of it. Probably lost a strand here. I remember taking part of it out after the plow came through, because he created this berm here again and that. But the end of our property, which you can tell just by the fact that it's cut and trimmed. And down below here, of course, is our what we call our rice field number 6, before we go across here into the lower rice fields. And pan around real slow. There's the back side of the terraces that we built, and I'm at the pond. So just thought I'd take you on a little walk down the road here to show you the progress we're making on cleaning it all up and that, and it's working really good, looks really nice. We'll be doing more of it today. So thanks for viewing. Like and subscribe, and I'm sure we'll be back again today. Thank you much.